Hello everyone, this is the installation tutorial for AKExport. After downloading the software, double-click it to see the installation interface. Click Next. Wait a few seconds. Click Close. After the installation is complete, if you have AutoCAD running, close it and reopen it. If you don't have AutoCAD open, simply open a new AutoCAD window. Let's create a new drawing to check if the plugin is installed correctly. You can type AKE to confirm if there are relevant commands. If it matches what is displayed here, it means the installation was successful. Please note that if you are using AutoCAD LT, we do not support it. You can wait for future versions of the SKP plugin. That's it for the installation. Please continue to the next tutorial for usage instructions.